Hi guys, it's me again, FLYWITHMEFPV, and what I have here is a build that I recently finished. It's an Armattan Rooster. I was able to mate in it, and yeah, it flies amazing. It's running butterfly on a Helio Spring flight controller, and originally the electronics that I used here was from a Martian that I kind of destroyed. So the PIDs, rate settings, and configuration were all from the Martian. However, yeah, this is how I built it. That's the capacitor over there. I'm using an AKK VTX with an MMCX antenna. Emax motors, SpeedX ESCs, and this is running on a Crossfire Nano receiver. So yeah, this is how it looks like. I got 11 packs, 12 packs maybe, and I crashed it. However, after the crash, I noticed something that is, I think, in my opinion, is a bad design of the frame. Uh, this part, this is called a rear uh, plate or something. I have to check from the Armattan website what's called. Rooster rear top plate. So this plate holds both arms. Basically, it presses down with those screws, four screws, to the bottom plate. And when I crashed this, I was kind of flying, backwards. But it was not that high. I would say from 10, 15 feet, and it was grass and soft soil. That should have held, but as you notice on the pictures here, that carbon got delaminated. I don't know if that's what you call it, but basically, even if I continue using this, this will get worn down pretty easy if I keep on kind of putting stress on this arm. So again, it's a really, in my opinion, the frame flies great. I like frames that are on the heavy side, but these plates that hold the arms, and there's also another one, a smaller plate on the that holds the front arms. I think this part of the design can be improved. I don't know if they release a fix or a different type of part to hold the arms. This is what I think is the thing that is bad about the Armattan Rooster. Other than that, frame's beautiful. Like you got titanium roll cage here that really protects your, HS1177 type cameras. So I really like that. It's enough real estate in there to run maybe two stacks. You might get away with three, but that's really really tight. So anyways, guys, that's my take on this frame. I don't want to do too much or talk about it too much because there's a lot of reviews on YouTube or online about the Armattan Rooster.